Omega Design Corporation is proud to present the PSCS1. This is just one particular layout of an end-of-line serialization solution in our Omega Track family of equipment. This semi-automatic solution includes both pack sync and case sync. Pack sync is Omega's name for equipment that aggregates individual containers in a pack or bundle to a label on the bundle. Case sync is equipment that aggregates containers or bundles in a case to a label on the case. The layout shown here can be modified to your particular needs, but here are a few of the major components. Pack sync in this instance includes the bundle conveyor, spacing belts, bundle labeler, bundle label camera and lighting, bundle group camera and lighting, and the reject station. There's also a pusher with optional holdback and compression relief cylinders, and an accumulation conveyor. Case sync in this instance includes a case former, case labeler, case label camera and lighting, case group camera and lighting, and a case taper. These cartons are individually printed with unique serialized barcodes in the upstream machinery. They are banded together and conveyed to the Omega Track equipment. These bundles are running at 50 per minute, which is 500 cartons per minute. The spacing belts separate the bundles on a predetermined pitch for label application, inspection, and rejection. The bundle labeler prints and applies a label with a unique serialized code. In this instance, the unique number is printed in 1D, 2D, and human-readable formats. The bundle group camera reads all 10 carton codes, while the bundle label camera reads the codes on the bundle label. If all are readable and valid numbers for the lot, they are aggregated together and the parent-child relationship is established. Physical aggregation occurs prior to the data aggregation, providing the highest integrity. If any of the codes are not readable, not valid, duplicated, or if there's no response from the vision system, the bundle is rejected. By keeping a one-to-one relationship between inspection and rejection, it is ensured that the correct bundle is rejected. A sensor on the reject bin verifies that the rejected bundle left the conveyor. The optional holdback and compression relief cylinders work together to create a gap between bundles in front of the pusher and the upstream bundles on the conveyor. The pusher has product-specific change parts to move a row of bundles onto the accumulation conveyor. The brush helps to control the bundles and keep them square. Several rows of bundles fit on the accumulation conveyor to give the operator time to open and close cases. To speed up the process, an automatic case former is used to fold the bottom flaps of the case. The case is then held in position for labeling and loading. When the case is formed, the case labeler prints and applies a label with yet another unique serialized code. In this instance, the unique number is printed in 1D and human-readable formats, twice on the label, which is then wrapped around the corner of the case. The case label camera ensures that the code is readable and valid for the lot. If there's a problem with the label, the empty case can be pulled out of the former before it's filled with product. If the case label passes, the system moves on to case layer inspection. In this instance, the system continually looks at the 2D codes on the bundle labels in the case, again forcing physical aggregation before data aggregation. The system indicates to the operator if the codes are readable and valid, or if any bundles need to be replaced. A remediation shelf contains a row of bundles that can be used one at a time to replace any unreadable or invalid bundles in the case. When the layer is complete, the operator continues to load any successive layers. When the case is complete, the parent-child relationship is established. The lighting then turns off and the belts of the case taper are turned on to signal the operator that it's okay to proceed. In this instance, the operator manually folds the top flaps and pushes the case into the top and bottom taper, and the case loading cycle repeats. This is just one example of how Omega Design can help you to track and trace your products down to the unit level. Please feel free to contact us to discuss your needs to protect your brand, your bottom line, and most importantly, your customers.